Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol KTOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made some good solid progress. I mean, when you consider where the price closed yesterday, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed today, any rational person will say, yeah, the bulls definitely made some progress today. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, that level all revolves around a single point in terms of answering the question, and that is down here at $2 and what is that? 5 cents. Why is 205 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 205. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does pull back, not saying this will happen, but for example's sake, and then behaves in this manner. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress as $2.05. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, that's pretty straightforward. Right up there at $2.30. You can see on several occasions today, the bulls did try to push up through that mark, but just couldn't really have any success. Yeah, temporarily did, but then as soon as the price fell back below it, couldn't get back up above it anymore. Anyway, slice it though, and the moral of the story here is that bulls made a very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.